Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset the sound settings on your Samsung 2024 model TV. So we're going to go into the settings button on the remote control, which is bottom left. And we're going to work our way down to sound and then work our way across on the right hand side and go down to expert settings. And if you have a look here, we have an option to reset sound, but can you see it's been blanked out? That's because my soundbar is currently connected. If I was to turn my soundbar off, then you can now see that reset sound is now lit up, so we can select it. So go into reset sound, hit the middle button, go over to reset, hit the middle button, the enter button again, and it says the sound settings have now been reset. So if you've got a problem with the sound settings of your TV, resetting it might fix the problem. Thanks for watching.